I'm going to start by bringing 24 ounces, I think this is 24 ounces, yeah, of water to a boil. And once it starts boiling, I'm going to reduce my heat to medium-low. And now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of flax seeds. You want to give this a good stir to make sure all your flax seeds are submerged in the water. Now, if you don't have that much time, you can do this on a higher heat to speed up the process, but I like to do mine on a medium to low heat because one, I don't like to stand next to my pot constantly making sure my seeds aren't sticking to the sides or the bottom of the pan. And also on a higher heat, you have to keep an eye on it because it will boil over onto your stove. So it has only been about 7 or 8 minutes and it's still running. So I'm just going to let this continue to boil and just keep checking on it. And it is starting to take that gel form. You'll know when it's done when it has a like mucus consistency. So I'm going to turn my heat off. I'm going to put 2 hibiscus flowers in it and probably like a teaspoon of rose petals and let it infuse while it's sitting. So now that I let this sit and cool for like 30 minutes, I'm going to pour this into my jar. I'm just using a stocking cap. You can use a cheesecloth, anything that you want to use to strain it. So now I'm just going to add 5 drops of tea tree oil, essential oil, and 1/8 teaspoon of germamil to keep it preserved because this is a water-based product. Now I'm just going to blend it and make sure I get those preservative mixed all the way through my product. And this is the end result. Now you can enjoy your flaxseed. Look at that consistency. Perfect. Now, if you have never tried flaxseed gel, you are definitely going to love it. This gel is very moisturizing and helps with curl definition. You can use this on your wash and go, but I plan on using it to help preserve my twist for the week. Flax seeds are very beneficial for the hair. They help stimulate the hair growth due to its omega-3 fatty acid. It contains vitamin B and minerals like manganese and selenium. They also help seal the hair cuticles and prevents breakage. It helps balance hormone levels, which impacts hair growth, and it strengthens the hair fibers. All right, I just got done washing my hair. This leave-in conditioner is so thick.
We're going to remove their skin, which is already dry. Done. Now let's get another onion. Oh, it's dry.
Just gonna style my hair for the week. Probably just put some twist. I'm not trying to spend too much time on my hair today. I might just take the top off.
Here you do have to cry a little, but the result will be worth it.
So here's my flaxseed gel.
I already have the finely grated onion ready. Look, when you fry it.
Where's my clip?
We're going to put everything here, and at the bottom we are only going to have the onion juice. We are going to gently crush it with scraps of the onion.
So we'll We'll see how my hair holds up this week.
Look,
This.
since the onion has a lot of sulfur and sulfur helps us improve the production capacity of collagen tissues. So this, and as you'll see,
Smells good.
it's not as watery.
I smell the rose. Just trying to make sure. I think I got most of my shedded hair out in the shower when I detangled. All right, I am finally done. Took me way longer than I thought to do this.
According to Betty, the family typically had dinner together on the weekends, and although Keith and Amber occasionally argued, things never turned physical.
So I'm gonna come back on here tomorrow and let you guys see how it looks when it's dry. I'm getting ready to go to bed. This side is almost dry. My hair dries really fast. Looks shiny. I'm gonna try to stay up long enough until it's dry. I might put the blow dryer on it. Sort of dry. It's getting late. So I'm about to go to bed. I'm tired. I'll let you guys see how this looks tomorrow. Good night. Good morning. Good morning. It is the next day. And this is how my hair looks. It is fully dry. Yep, so this is how I usually wear my hair during the week. And just tuck my ends in. And that's it. And that's how it will be all week, unless I take it down just to moisturize it and put it back up. But that's it. All right, everybody, enjoy your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.